garden was born in the 19th century with the creation of the terraces and the staircases that connect them. Originally, it also belonged to the convent of San Francesco and was used for agricultural purposes. It was transformed into a park only in 1934, taking up the Renaissance style. The opening to the public took place only about 30 years later, but the garden remained closed for maintenance for a long time. Since its reopening, the green area has been used to host various events of the patronal event of San Gerardo, which takes place in May. In the summer of 2021, the park hosted an open-air cinema.
Assolutamente sì, dicevo prima, no, proprio l'esempio del PNRR è un po' quello che stavo cercando di descrivere all'inizio. Le risorse europee devono essere
A place full of evocative charm made up of details hidden among the leaves. The ivy playful entwines marble and travel time, and the interplay of lights cast shadows that stretch across the stone facades of the steps. Along the Prefect's villa, many open spaces lend themselves to natural living rooms, and everything suggests a refined environment where that greenery was the hidden desire of illustrious guests. This is the magic of the Prefect's villa in Potenza.
The Prefect's Villa, it's more than just a building. It's a symbol of Potenza's rich heritage and a vibrant space for the community. Will you be a part of its story? There are many ways to get involved. You can donate to the restoration project, volunteer your time, or simply visit the villa once it reopens. Keep an eye out for upcoming events, from historical talks to family picnics. There'll be something for everyone. Together, let's celebrate the rebirth of the Prefect's Villa and create a lasting legacy for generations to come.